Let me jump over this.
Hello.
Alright, we're mounting back up to get to Blackwater.
Okie dokie.
To Blackwater.
You alright?
Water.
You alright?
Water
I was just nervous there for a minute.
Okay, alright.
I didn't see y'all curled up there in the snow.
Yeah, I was just, I stopped to take a pee and had a
I just
headache.
want to see the library. It sounds
I'll
like a
take a
wonderful
look.
place.
Check out a book. Don't
There's a
let us
nudie
pass
or
you
well, a smut room.
by. Why
Christ's
not
sake.
give us a try? Blackwell.
Thank you.
Market
Library.
Library. I said Blackwell.
If we go by Strawberry first, I can get you that book.
Oh,
Alright.
shit. Yeah.
So it's up to y'all how you want to do it.
Yeah, we can go through Strawberry first.
Okay.
Everything's
Fine with
okay.
me, I don't have anywhere to be.
Yeah. I'm just not sure if anybody was constrained on time or anything.
Nope.
Only try to get apart.
Sorry.
Reading isn't
Oh.
very hard. Get that
Hey.
book before it's gone.
I understand you're
Walk
upset.
it out and then read on.
No, I'm not.
Market
I'm not upset. I'm not upset at you. It's just got a little worried. That's all.
You didn't hear
Mhm.
what?
I didn't hear her say book.
Alright,
hear
I
her
understand.
say- I thought you said fuck. I thought you said get that fuck.
Get that fuck on.
Like what the fuck?
I didn't write the song. Chipmunk did.
Yeah, that's you know the
That would
famous,
be even funnier.
the famous chipmunk line. Get that fuck.
Get that fuck.
Get that fuck. Holy shit.
Get that fuck.
Get that fuck before it's gone. Swap it out and then read on. I gotta get that out of my head, otherwise on Saturday when someone checks out a book, I'm gonna accidentally say that. And they're gonna be like, huh, that's a very interesting jingle.
I think you should say, you know, just to mix it up a little bit. Get that fuck.
I know it's a stupid thing to say, but
I'll check out the
don't worry. I think we're past me wandering off.
Yeah, I think we
place
are.
all
Yeah.
every
You ain't
book,
confused
but-
like you were.
Nah.
You remember
You know what,
me. You
maybe
remember
that's like
everybody.
the,
Yes, I do.
smut version of
I remember you
jingle.
very well.
Something like that.
When they check out a smut book, that's what I see.
When you first, when I first saw you on
Just take a
Sunday,
Mm-hmm.
That animal got fucked.
took you a minute
Ryder.
before it clicked.
Ryder.
What are you gonna do,
Oh.
sir?
Bomb mortar harder.
I'm morning harder.
I think that
what do you- how do you mean?
By what you did, Clay.
You were doing chores, and Clay and Sammy had told me about what you were doing. You know, wandering off into the valley. I walked over there to check on you, and
You think a cannibal?
and you asked me, "Can I help you?"
Right now,
actually
the
used to be a
frontier.
cannibal
So if
that
you-
lived there.
Didn't know who I was.
There used to be a cannibal that lived there like
That's
2 years ago.
Wasn't until
It seems like the cannibals right now like Coulter in the frontier for some reason.
till I
Yeah. It's
started
so
crying.
isolated. Makes sense.
Pisses me off because I love the frontier.
that
Me too.
that you said my name.
Well, I'm gonna express to Anya that the misfits are bad for business. And they will not likely
Oh.
respect her wishes.
Uh,
Wish
If-
y'all could have seen Coulter and
I,
said
I don't know what to say.
We're past that now.
Yeah, yeah.
It was just afterwards. It was still when I had to tell you repeatedly that you'd hit your head. You needed reminding of it constantly. It ain't shocking that, you forgot, folks. Hey. I ain't telling you this to scare you.
I know. But it does scare me.
Could you just imagine somebody dressed in all black running past you in the dark forest, just be, yeah, whoa, yeah, yeah, whoa.
No, I can't imagine that. So just
We can
further
bring it
for
up to
us.
Connor tomorrow.
I kind of hate that thought. I kind of really
Dr.
hate
Margot
that
didn't seem all that concerned about it.
Woo. Yeah,
Little do you know it's just
Your
an old
memory's been
skunk mountain
good.
man that's just
Woo-woo.
kind of on cocaine.
yeah. Oh.
It ain't been slipping
we're going straight.
this last time.
Yep.
What-
Strike.
What's it? So what's it? Slipping last time? I didn't hear what you said.
Your memory, it ain't been slipping
Oh no.
since you hit your head this last time.
You're sideways.
Well, I mean a little
Yes,
bit.
Yes, Sammy would have said.
I mean, afterwards,
backwards.
yes.
Run forward.
And,
Horses on the lift.
but I mean, it ain't like you're confused like you were.
No, I'm not.
You're clear-headed. It's a headache and it's pressure and whatnot. It's all physical. It ain't all in your
Right
memories.
on the right.
Right.
I'm going to burger.
I think it was just
I know that's why it's funny.
Painted skies. Deputies do their
it was
best.
just that initial impact. Maybe knocked a couple things loose, and
So if you ever just see a group of deputies up there, that's probably what they're
I
doing.
was already upset before I even walked over there, so I was
And sometimes
especially
they come to Pronghorn and ask you to pretend to be a criminal
upset.
so that their cadets can chase you
Yeah.
around.
I've
It's
done
very
that before.
There
It's
was
very
one
fun.
time.
But somehow it worked in my favor.
McGregor
'Cause
came
you-
to Pronghorn and just
I was
rode up to
crying
Sparks
awful lot in
just
front
like,
of
"Hey,
you because
Sparks,
you
wanna be a
recognized
fake
me.
hostage?" And she's like, "Oh,
Minute
fuck
I
yeah,
did.
let's do it." And then she just jumped on his horse and they fucked off for like an
I
hour.
remember that. Yeah, I remember that. Just the
Yep, 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 yep,
apologies.
yep, yep.
road
No,
over here. Road
I
over
do
here.
have a memory.
This is Canada's
Um,
favorite guessing game. Where the fuck's the road?
I was just it's kind of a
Like it's a road.
Yeah, you gotta add a bud.
it's kind of a quick one.
Mm-hmm.
And it's me standing in the manure pit with you.
What is the word that is constantly used at the
Y'all
end of
say
it?
like,
Um,
y'all say like, don't you know?
You're crying,
Yeah.
Don't you know?
and I said,
Mm-hmm.
and I saw you. You called me honey. And it was just this fleeting moment of this fog clearing just a little. I don't think it was you crying. I think it was you calling me honey.
Okay.
ready to stop?
Going.
Howdy, mister. Howdy, mister.
You ready for bed or?
Yeah, I probably should.
Okay.
I'd love to stay up.
I know. I'm gonna try and get in some shooting practice tonight.
Okay, sounds good. Are you going with Emery?
I didn't know Emery was around right now.
I thought you said something about Emery earlier. Maybe I misheard something.
I was talking about her, but I plumb forgot what I was talking to her about when I mentioned her.
Okay, all right.
Oh, her apartment. Her apartment. That's what it was. I was gonna have
Right.
her show you her room.
Right.
Or yes, that's
mistake.
how English is. Anyway.
You speak the best English. What?
You going to sleep?
No.
Oh.
No?
No. No. Callahan wants to see the library, and he's giving me a book, so fair trade.
Okay. All right.
All right then.
Well, I'm gonna put this one to bed, and then are y'all going to Blackwater?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Okay. Sounds good. Watch your hat, watch your guns.
Yeah,
Yep.
well, I'm going straight inside, so... Oh, shit.
All right.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir.
Talking about when she comes back out, Dippy.
Whatever, Clay. Some bitch. All right.
All right, I'll meet y'all there.
Yeah, y'all be safe.
Good night, bro.
Good night.
Good night.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
To Blackwater.
To make
Upsy daisy.
Oh, sorry. I was going to wait for you to go through.
So, on the list of things to to replace
Mm-hmm.
or whatever, I was thinking of getting a smaller stove.
Okay.
Is that all right? I know you're quite fond of this stove. I can also kind of rearrange the kitchen to accommodate it.
It is my favorite stove. No other stove will do.
Is it really?
No.
Well.
No. It's just a stove. It's fine. It is a nice stove. But if it doesn't fit well and all that shit, then get something else. That's fine.
Okay.
Just blowing all the money.
I'll go do some more work then.
All right.
If you're worried about it.
No. I ain't worried about it at all. I got plenty of money. I think you got plenty of money. We're fine.
Okay. So, stove, a little tiny icebox, put right here.
Mm-hmm. What
Look
happened?
I'm as big as an icebox.
Yes, you are.
What happened to our icebox, the tall one? I gave it to Clay and Tess.
Oh, jeez, got rid of. Okay, I didn't even realize. Okay.
Well, I mentioned it to them that I was going to replace it, and I needed to box up the one that we currently had. And Clay said, I'd pay you for it. And I said, oh, really? Well, here, have it as a wedding gift.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
So Clay and Tess took it. And then I wanted to get Sorry. I wanted to get a smaller dining table so that we can maybe kind of spread out this just a smidge more.
Okay.
Because this doesn't need to be so goddamn large.
Yeah. No, we just get a little square one for two of us, or maybe 4 people, something like that. Sounds good to me. I'm gonna get a little something.
Yeah. And I haven't figured out scooting the
damn it.
chairs up. Yeah.
I thought you had it. I could have sworn you had
I
it.
thought I had it too, and then I was wrong.
No, because I swear to God, I've sat down and had a meal at this table, and it was just fine. But
Are you sure? While it's been here?
I swear.
Okay.
By the moon and the stars up above. Yeah, that's all right. We'll figure something out.
Oh, I have so many eggs now. This is wonderful. And berries.
How many berries did you end up with?
I have 31.
Jesus.
Would you like a raspberry?
Yeah, sure.
A little sweet treat before you go to sleep.
I will take a sweet treat. Thank you. Nom nom nom. Delicious sweet treat. A sweet treat from my sweet treat.
Silly.
Yeah, I know. Yep. All right, you have fun at your shooting practice. Where you guys going? Where y'all going?
Well, I was gonna meet them in Blackwater, see where Miss Emery is. Maybe I'll
Hey.
I don't know. I was maybe gonna send a telegram to Mr. Bow or Miss Roxanne, Miss Rowe, because she mentioned something about if I ever needed instructions or teaching on how to shoot and all that. Telegram her. So I do have her telegram now. So
Fantastic. Good.
yeah.
Well, it's nice to see you're making friends. You're always making friends.
I know. I don't know what to do about that Victoria lady.
What?
Virginia.
Virginia.
Jesus Christ.
Do you not like her or something?
No, it's not that I don't. It's not that I don't like her. It's just I just don't understand why she's so.
Why she likes you so
enamored
much?
with me.
She's just,
I had a conversation with her just about the one time.
I think she's just very friendly. Because she's the same way with me. She's always very happy to see me and wants to talk to me, have a conversation, all that shit. I don't know.
Yeah, she might just be that chatty of a person.
Yeah, I think that might be it. Listen, you got a fan. It's okay.
It's strange. It's alien. I don't know if I like it.
Alien?
Yeah, it's weird.
Looking at your biggest fan right here. How's that weird? What?
I'm not used to. Never mind.
What in the world? What? Spit it out.
I almost said I'm not used to not sleeping. I'm not used to not sleeping with my biggest fans.
Well, okay. Well, then go ahead and sleep with her. It's fine. And just so if it doesn't make it weird, then go ahead. That's fine. Have some fun. Tell me all about it after.
All right, then you can finally go submit to the cat house. Although I hear they're not in business anymore, so.
No thanks.
Okay,
Sorry.
then no thanks.
I only ever wanted to go over and work there because it seemed fun to like serve food or something like that. Like I basically would probably talk to people and shit. It wouldn't be doing anything else aside from that.
You think it's fun to serve?
Have you known me for the last 7 months? Yeah.
I think I got you pretty well figured out.
I enjoy being served, and I like to serve.
Hmm.
Just depends on the night. But pretty much only you. Not
Pretty
interested.
much.
Not interested in anyone else.
Okay. Good.
Pardon my wording. I know that was whatever.
I know what you mean. I'm just teasing you.
Yeah.
All right. Go on, get your little elf butt to bed.
Okay.
Oh, God. Oh. Why did I do this? Get your feet out of my face.
No, I won't. I refuse. Wait. You stay right there.
Rooster. Somehow you're heavier.
What? What do you mean? I love you. I'm your biggest fan.
I love you. I'm your biggest fan.
Yeah. We're crazy for each other. Yeah.
All right.
You be safe out there, okay? I'll see you when
Yes,
you get
sir.
see you when you get back. Then we'll decide who's serving who. Love you very much.
Love you too.
Come back safe.
Good night.
Good night.
I will.